Today on Quick Tips, I'm going to show you how to pack a DJI OM4 in this harness pocket and pack your phone into this pocket. Now for people who are moving around quickly, grabbing a lot of video footage, this is a great way to pack this kind of setup. And now I'm just going to quickly disassemble this and show you exactly how to do that. So I'll power the OM4 down. I'll remove the phone via its magnetic clip. I'll stash the phone in my pocket just like this. And now I'm just gonna collapse the actual OM4 just like this. And then I will just stick it in here. I'll do it nice and slowly. I don't wanna force it in too hard. And then right here, the pocket has a bit of a stretch. Just take your finger, put it in, and it's nice and tight just like that. Now you can zip it closed if you need to. If it is raining, you'll probably want to throw it back into your backpack because when the pocket does expand, there is this opening here. So that's it for today on Quick Tips. We'll see you next time.